Hi all, welcome back to Sabtech Online. For the recent classes we have been having, we have managed to come up with such a dashboard, well-linked dashboard, cleaned with all the visuals that you may need as a business, whether small or big, and only using the native functionalities we have in Excel. So maybe to take you through, we created a dashboard with 3 pages linked together. You see, this is the summary. These are the details. You can always have the same. On the home page, obviously, you add anything that a guest may want to see before they drill into the summary or the details. That sometimes it is always your contacts, how they can reach you, the visibility on how they can navigate to your office. So when you click this directly, it should take this person on Google Maps and reach your office. With the other summary details, which you may want to show up for the business in summary, then in going to the drilling down into the summaries where you'll have all the metrics, having slicers, having different details on tables, having different visuals and comparison boards. Here we go. You can also always have details for operational purpose, where if we look at, let's say, one or a single-handed sales personnel, we can easily tell out how the performance has been and name them. So that's it. Please join our classes, and classes are still going on. Join our WhatsApp groups and follow all the pages, WhatsApp, TikTok, YouTube, and our Twitter account to follow up on all the updates. And in case you want to reach us, please find all the links in the comments below. And please keep following, and we'll meet you in the next video. Bye-bye.